Hey guys, today we are making healthy pancakes using oat. I'll use 1 cup of oat, sugar, cooking oil, and vanilla essence. I'll add the oat flour in the dish and add 3 teaspoons of sugar and mix nicely. Then add some water and mix until it makes a thin paste. We are almost there. I'll add a little water and keep mixing again. Then add vanilla essence 1 teaspoon and mix again. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cooking oil and mix nicely. I like the consistency. I will put my cooking pan on heat, let it heat for 3 minutes. Then I will start adding the butter or mixture. Then I will let it cook for 3 minutes, then turn. They look so nice. They are ready. We'll remove them and set them aside. Don't they look amazing? I'll add some honey to add some more flavor. Guys, you should try out and let me know how it turned out. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.